In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links to pages within your Draw.io diagram for Confluence Cloud. To get started, open the Confluence page that already contains the Draw.io diagram you want to work with. This is the page where you'll be adding a clickable link from an object inside the diagram to another Confluence page. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward, since the next steps happen directly inside the page editor. Once the page is open, go into edit mode if needed and locate the Draw.io diagram on the page. Click on the diagram to select it. When it's selected, a toolbar will appear, and from that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the Draw.io editor so you can make changes to the diagram itself. Give the editor a moment to load fully. Depending on the size of the diagram or your connection speed, this may take a few seconds. After the editor opens, find the specific object in the diagram that you want users to click. This could be a shape, box, icon, or any other diagram element that should link to a Confluence page. Right-click on that object, then choose Edit Link. A pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, look for the second drop-down field. It may already display the word page. Click that drop down and choose the Confluence page you want this object to link to. This step is important because it tells Draw.io that the link should point to an internal Confluence page rather than some other kind of destination. After selecting the correct page, click OK in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The edit link window will close and your link will now be attached to that diagram object. At this point, don't forget to click Publish in the top right corner of the Draw.io editor. Publishing saves the changes back into your Confluence page, so the new link becomes active, and that's it. You've successfully created a link from an object inside your Draw.io diagram to a page in Confluence Cloud. If you're setting up multiple links, it can help to double check each one before publishing so everything points to the right destination. This is a simple way to make your diagrams more interactive, easier to navigate, and much more useful for anyone viewing your Confluence content.